Planning to study at SRM Chennai? It is one of India's most popular private universities with lakhs of students applying every year. But the real question is, which course should you choose, how does the admission process work, and where do students usually go wrong? So don't worry, in this video you will get a complete and practical guide. By the way, if you're unsure about which course is right for you, just WhatsApp Hey to 9220339251 for free guidance. Established in 1985, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, also known as SRMIST. It is the flagship campus of the SRM group. It is located in Chennai and offers a wide range of programs from BTech, MBA, BSc and MTech to architecture, agriculture and even PhD. Plus, SRM also provides online and distance learning options. To make the most of your degree, choose a program which aligns with your career goals, skills and interests. And now, the most popular program is BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, mainly because placements are strong in IT, data science and artificial intelligence roles. From software engineer to AI/ML engineer, the opportunities are diverse. The MBA program is also highly sought after, with trending specializations such as artificial intelligence and data science, digital marketing, banking and financial services, and finance, with many more. For engineering aspirants, aerospace, civil, and electronics and communication are available. Students interested in sciences can also explore BSc and BCA, which are increasingly in demand. Listen up, these are just some of the popular courses. But you can't select a course just because it's popular or because your friends are choosing it. The university offers a lot of options, so choose the one that suits you the best. For example, if you love coding, go for a BTech in CSC or data science. If leadership roles and business strategies interest you, then go with a BBA or an MBA. If you're passionate about science, research and experiments, go for a BCA in your preferred specialization. And if you want to learn about any course in detail, pick your phone and send Hey on WhatsApp at the number displayed on the screen. Remember, making an informed choice here will help you throughout your career. Now, you can't pick a course purely based on your interests or skills, right? Another factor you will have to consider is your eligibility. It is important to check the eligibility criteria of your desired course before applying so that you don't waste your time and money on a wasted application. So let's discuss the eligibility criteria for some of the top courses. For BTech, class 12th with minimum 60% marks plus SRM JEEE plus counseling. For MBA, bachelor's degree with 50 to 60% marks plus entrance exam like GMAT, CAT, MAT, CMAT, NMAT or SRM JEEM plus PI. For BSc, class 12th with 50% aggregate marks plus NCHMCT JEE. For BCA, class 12th with 50% marks. For MTech, bachelor's degree with 50% marks plus SRM JEEE PG plus counseling. And now, let's cover the admission process. First, fill out the application on the SRM portal with a 1200 fee. Appear for the entrance exam like for BTech, SRM JEEE UG, for MBA, SRM JEEM or national tests like CAT, MAT or TANCET. Shortlisting is based on entrance results plus academic records. Final step, counseling, document verification and fee payment. Before you start applying, take time to understand the entire admission process clearly, from eligibility and entrance exams to counseling and fee payment. Knowing these steps early helps you plan better and avoid last-minute stress. After that, start preparing for the entrance exam seriously, focusing on the syllabus and exam pattern, so that you can beat the competition and increase your chances of getting your desired course. Now that you know the programs, eligibility and admission steps, let me tell you some common mistakes that students make and how you can avoid them to save your time and money. First, applying late. SRM has strict deadlines. Check the portal early and set reminders so you don't miss any step. Second, ignoring entrance exam patterns. SRM JEEE and SRM JEEM have different formats. Understand the syllabus and practice mock tests well in advance. Third is relying only on marks. Academic scores matter, but interviews and personal assessments count too. Prepare for group discussions, interviews and aptitude tests. Fourth, choosing a course just for brand name. Many pick SRM because it's popular, not because the course suits them. Align your choice with your skills, interests and career goals. Fifth and last, not considering career outcomes. Some students ignore placements or future opportunities. Research potential jobs, internships and industry demand before finalizing your course. So guys, that was a complete breakdown of SRM Chennai, its courses, admission process and insider tips. If you are planning to apply, drop your questions in the comments and we will guide you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And remember, if you're still confused about SRM courses or your career path, help is just a text away. Send a Hey on WhatsApp to 9220339251 and get your free Shiksha guidance today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep studying and keep shining.